So I'm going to substitute in for a. So b plus 10 equals 2 times a, which is the same as b plus 2, minus 8. b plus 10, to make these parentheses go away, I'll make that 2b plus 4 minus 8. I can simplify this. B plus 10 equals 2b minus 4. So if I subtract b from both sides and add 4 to both sides, that means that 14 is equal to b. If b is equal to 14, then a is equal to b plus 2, so a is equal to 16. Look at the last one carefully. It looks complicated. They're telling you that DH is parallel to CG, is parallel to BF, is parallel to AE. Those are parallel lines. All right? And they are equally spaced. The distance between them is 2. So they're both parallel and equally spaced. And we know, we are told that the length here is 2.5. Now, think about it. This is exactly like we did with the cards. The length, because we know that the lines are evenly spaced and parallel, we know that the transverse is an equal distance between. So from F to G is also 2.5. From G to H is 2.5. So EH, from E to H, is 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 7.5. Let's try another problem. We're told that we have a parallelogram with one angle 9 times the size of the other. So this angle is x, this angle is 9x. What is the measure of the angles? Well, we've been told it's a parallelogram. What do we know about the parallelogram? We know that it's 4 angles, so they add up to 360 because it's a 4-sided polygon. And we know that we have congruent angles. So we have x, the small angle, we have 9x, the larger angle. We know that this one is also 9x, and we know that this one is x. What is it that we're asked to solve? We're asked to solve the measures of the angles. All right. Are the two angles described in the problem congruent or supplementary? We've got congruent angles. We know that, I think they want us to do this differently. I'm going to do it this way. 360 is equal to x plus 9x plus 9x. So 360 is equal to 20x. X is equal to 18.